Karen Ann Sumaya, and I took Diploma in Culinary and Pastry Arts here in Academy Asia.
Hi, my name is Katrina Lazaro, graduate of Diploma in Culinary and Pastry Arts in Academy Asia, Batch 2022.
My name is Abigail Guillermo, Academy Asia graduate, Batch 2020.
I'm John Paul Arenas, Academy Asia graduate, Batch 2020.
I am Chef Alvin, alumnus of Academy Asia, and I am now a culinary arts instructor here at Academy Asia.
Hi, I'm Chef Daphne Baño, and I am a pastry instructor here in Academy Asia.
Hi, I'm Chef Anna Cornelio, and I'm a culinary arts instructor here in Academy Asia.
I chose Academy Asia because it is affordable
And they offer quality education.
Aside from its strategic location, it's accessible. It also offers a chance to compete in the Culinary Cup.
Sa Young Chef category ako napasali and I won a silver medal. And it gives value to me as an aspiring chef.
I teach here in Academy Asia, syempre dahil dito rin ako gumraduate and gusto ko rin ma-share yung aking knowledge and skills doon sa ating mga bagong chefs.
And fun environment for the students. It's also good for me because it's accessible.
6 years ago, teaching opportunity came. The feeling of fulfillment came to me. I embrace it whenever I share all my knowledge, my skills, my techniques. When I see them successful, it's an achievement to me, most especially to those who came from senior high.
Napili ko ang Diploma in Culinary and Pastry Arts kasi full package na siya. Kumbaga, madami kang matututunan as a aspiring chef. Makakatulong yun yung mga pag-aaralan mo dito.
Aside from my love for baking and cooking, I also want to expand my knowledge for my future plans.
I chose this course because it's aligned in my preparation to work in a cruise ship.
Being able to teach in a culinary school helps develop the skills and techniques of the students who are interested in working in the culinary industry.
Actually, one of my dreams is to serve the kings and high-ranking official like presidents.
Expand my knowledge, my experience, and to put up my own business in the future.
Practically, mag-cruise ship sana ako gamit yung skills and knowledge ko sa kusina.
This gives me a chance for me to be competent also in the outside world. That's why I want to work in a cruise ship. Because I love to eat, I love to travel, and we travel to eat.